Hi, I'm Bhusan Dahal. I just want to remember quite a few years back, I was being filmed in London for a commercial. And I remember using my first ever Samsung Galaxy Note phone as a gadget in the film. Honestly, I've just finished unboxing, and it's the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in my favorite black. I'm all excited to use my new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The main camera shoots pictures up to 108 megapixels. And me being a television person and a filmmaker, there is one more excitement which is engraved in this new gadget from Samsung. It's the video capability of 8K resolution with 60 frames per second. What else does a filmmaker require in a mobile phone bigger than this? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to promise anything more right now. Let me use it for a few days. I'll get back to you. Stay tuned. All right?